The little bluebird will soon be ringing the opening bell, and now Twitter has announced a price range for its highly anticipated initial public offering. The San Francisco-based social media company named a price of $17 to $20 per share on Thursday and said it will sell some 70 million shares total. If all of those shares sell, the company could be valued in the neighborhood of $11 to $12 billion, including $1.6 billion raised from the IPO. And according to the New York Times, that would put Twitter somewhere between a couple of other tech giants, making the company 4 times as big as AOL, but only a fraction of Facebook, which has a market value of more than $127 billion. The company is also planning a roadshow where it will make the case its stock is a good investment. CNN says it should have some good numbers to point to. What's promising for the company is that its user base is growing, and so is its mobile business. In IPO paperwork earlier this month, Twitter revealed it had nearly 232 million monthly active users in the third quarter, a 39% increase over last year. But speaking to Al Jazeera America, a staff writer for Forbes says it's some other numbers that might turn investors off.
If you look at their prospectus, their growth, especially in the United States, their growth has basically plateaued. They're not growing in the way that these kind of hot digital stocks are supposed to be.
And following Facebook's shaky start back in 2012, starting at $38 per share, then dropping significantly, some investors might have cold feet.
I will not be in there, just as I was not in there at Facebook. I'd like to see companies that have some proven earning streams.
But according to USA Today, Twitter may have had Facebook's rocky run in mind while crafting their offering. Twitter is taking a careful route to the public market because it wants to avoid problems suffered by Facebook when it completed an IPO in 2012. Facebook set a rich valuation in that offering, and bankers cut forecasts late in the process, undermining investor confidence. The company's stock will reportedly go on sale at the New York Stock Exchange November 7th under the initials TWTR. We're assuming a hashtag wasn't available. For Newsy, I'm Candace Avilés.